policing the police every single day, and doing what the Charlotte County Sun newspaper and local TV stations won't do every single day.
Sign closest.
Yeah, so what does the statute say?
Alright, so here's what I was looking up and I found stuff like that. So I looked up, we were talking about stalking and stuff, so if you don't mind, just bear with me on my tangent.
Correct.
So we looked up harass means to engage in a course of conduct, which you knew this, directed at a specific person which causes substantial emotional distress to that person and serves no legitimate purpose.
Yes,
So
that's Gary. That's the definition of Gary Snow. Yes.
Right. So I agree that he has been harassing you. So I don't understand. At any time have we filed with the state, or has the state just said no? They're not going to they're going to nullify it.
I was, like I said, twice. I firstly filed on my own, and I got more evidence than even Ian McGuire filed on Gary Snow. Do you know that?
No, I didn't know.
And he was granted not immediate, but.
Is Greg closest in?
No, he's off today.
All right, I need somebody at his level or above, because he said that Gary Snow is doing harassment, which is a chargeable offense. I have the evidence to prove it, and I want to file charges.
Okay, is that one case number? Do you still have that case number by chance?
I do. Wow. Is this it? I think that's it.
Speak to someone, you want to speak to another sergeant, or you want to speak to
Yeah, I need somebody like at closest level or above. This can't be rinky-dink. Closest already looked him up. He already wrote in the report. This is harassment, a chargeable offense.
All right, I'll get someone with you, all right?
All right.
Please wear a mask.
No.
Temperature is normal.
All right, Andrew, I'm going to go straight back and put this into the box now.
Okay, and then, yeah, if you could send him a message that it's there, and then, okay, he's back what day?
He's here Monday morning. He works from 5:45 in the morning until 6 that night. So
Okay, so Monday he's back. You're going to put that in the box. You're going to send him a message. It's there. Okay, there you go. I can do it. Okay, he's here at what time?
5:45 in the morning.
All right.
The front office here isn't open then.
Okay, what time's the office open here?
Time's the office open here, 8?
Okay, tell him I'll be here at 9 a.m. I'm not dropping this stuff.
Okay,
Because
well, if he's not, he may be tied up on a call, so
all right.
just have them call him up here.
Right. Well, if you can tell him to, that's what I said. I'm open.
Okay.
There's the proof. This has got to stop.
All right.
All right.
No problem.
All right. Thanks, man. Is that Alexander again?
Alexander, yeah.
All right. Yeah, I want to go ahead with what he wrote on the report. Did you look at the report before
Is
you
that
came
the
out?
one that Sergeant Closest did?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
I just talked to Sergeant Closest, and he's apparently had more information. He asked if you could come back Monday morning and talk to him.
All right. So he wants to deal with it.
Yeah, he's working Monday from 6 in the morning till 6 at night.
All right. Is there a way to tell him that, like he said, proof? Can you tell him that there is how many papers here? So
How many papers are there?
all right. There's a lot. There's
Oh, I
like
see that.
there's
I
like
didn't know if you wanted me to.
yeah. There's like 4. Actually, yes. Give it to him ahead of time.
You want me to?
Give it. Yeah. I need a
it in the
receipt.
box for him?
At
Have you got copies of these yourself too?
yes, I do.
Okay.
But that because like he said in the report, if you look up harassment, that is Gary Snow. That's what I've been dealing with. I've been doing this 8 years. I've never had this kind of shit in my life. And this has been happening since before December. So like he said the other day when I met with him and in the report, yes, he falls under harassment. That is a chargeable offense. You know, why didn't the court take this up before? And I agree. In fact, Lee County Court did give me my court date. The only reason why I didn't win it is because a judge sucked balls, violated ethics rules, and my lawyer needs to be disbarred. Period. But it's all there. What I filed down there, all of his harassment, Ian McGuire even got stalking charges against him. The only reason why Ian McGuire didn't get his stalking charges is because he didn't have the right address. So, I mean, it's all there. So, yes, actually it's good if he gets ahead of time.
If you keep it in the hands of the same person, that way they know what's going on the entire time.
Well, I would like it the minute he comes in here. That's why I'm saying if I could give to you, just give me a receipt that I gave it to you, whatever. What's that?
I can't give you, I don't have a receipt for you or anything
Right.
like that. I can put it in his box and I'll let him know.
Okay, put it in the box. I wanted him to see it right away. Because even he said, you know, why hasn't he been charged already? And I agree. And the reason why Gary Snow and his wife are freaking out is because nobody, you know, this guy's made enemies all the way from Chicago to here. You know, he supported a white cop that illegally executed a black man on the street, even after the cop was found guilty. That's pretty fucked up, okay? So the black people, in my opinion, ran him out. They said, if you don't leave, you might accidentally die. That's my theory. That's why I left, okay? So anyways, so all the evidence is there, man. That's what I gave Lee County, what I won my stalking, able to take them to court. They gave it to me. They were like, you're right, there's enough there. And plus all the other shit that's been happening. Plus they're filing false reports.
I see you've got a petition in here for an injunction against them. You didn't get the injunction though? You said
that is correct. Sadly, you know and I know, it sounds like, I've been doing this 8 years. It looks like you've been in law for longer than that. Dude, this fucking stalking hearing went an hour and 45 minutes long. The judge went totally outside the four corners and let Gary Snow, without a lawyer, go ballistic. He basically George Floyd'd me. You know how they said George Floyd deserved to die because he did something before that, right? That's what he did to me. It was like, what the fuck? This has nothing to do why you're here. So that's what happened. We're trying to get that thrown out. She won't even give me a surety bond or oath of office. I'm not even sure she's supposed to be there at court. She retired 4 years ago. So how is she my judge if she retired 4 years ago?
I don't know.
Thank you. So there's a lot of messed up stuff happening, and he said it in the report. He falls under harassment. I've been advised, once I let other people know what Colossa said, they said, fuck that. Go back and file it. This shit's got to stop. Because I don't know if you reread the report, she just came back and said I illegally got the report here and posted it online without asking her. Is she that stupid? Anything you touch with government is public document, correct? Yep. So like, do you got to do drugs not to know that, or did somebody drop her on her head, or?
A lot of people are just ignorant of things, so.
Right.
I don't know, because I didn't hear it from her, so I don't know what her reason
Correct.
is. But
Okay, so if I don't get a number for you, you at least will be honest and put it in his box.
I'm gonna go straight back there
And yeah, if you could send him a message too, there's like 40 freaking pages proving that this stuff is real, it's not make-believe.
Have you got a paper clip out there? I can put all this together, that way nothing gets lost. Thank you very much.
Charlotte County Sheriff's Office Investigative Supplement 2006-003365/4 Report Date, August 12, 2020. Primary Information. Description, Reporting Leo, Report Status Date, Approved by. Statement of Involvement Colossus, Gregory John, 0713/Watch Commanders/Charlotte County Sheriff's Office, Approved August 12, 2020 Colossus, Gregory John, 0713/Charlotte County Sheriff's Office. Synopsis. On August 12, 2020 at approximate 1040 hours, Andrew Sheets came into HQ to inquire into this case. He stated that William Snow filed a false police report and was inquiring into whether charges can be filed or not. After reviewing the initial narrative and researching the YouTube site provided, if you need to file charges against Gary Snow for stalking, slander and harassment, I believe that there possibly could be the charge of harassment validated. It appears that there are ongoing issues between the two. Charlotte County Sheriff's Office Incident 2006-003365 Report Date, June 7, 2020. Synopsis. 06/07/2020 1035:50237991 Caller in a GRY Kia in the PK lot. REQ contact ref to person keeps harassing and posting his underage daughter online 407 aware. 1 caller. Addresses. Relationship incident location. Address 7474 Utilities Road, Punta Gorda, Florida 33982 United States. Subjects. Relationship name bio Dobbs subject alyea, Christy A, person, 47-year-old, white, female December 28, 1972 subject sheets, Andrew Bryant, person, 55-year-old, white. Male April 14, 1965 subject, exempt Snow, Isabella K, person, 17-year-old, unknown, female July 29, 2002 subject Snow, William G, person, 43-year-old, white, male November 2, 1976. On June 7, 2020. At approximately 11:30 HRS, I was dispatched to the Charlotte County Sheriff's Office D4 headquarters, located at 7474 Utilities Road, Punta Gorda, Charlotte County, FL, in reference to a public assist. Upon my arrival, I made contact with caller, William G. Snow Dobb November 2, 1976. William stated he has had ongoing issues with W/M Andrew Sheets Dobb April 14, 1965. He stated he has frequently publicly recorded and initiated contact with Andrew Sheets. William stated he audits the auditors. William advised that Andrew Sheets doesn't like being publicly filmed and has stepped over the line. William stated he called Andrew Sheets approximately 2 weeks ago and Andrew did not answer. He said instead of Andrew answering the phone, he reverse traced the call and found his significant other, W/F Christy A. alyea Dobb December 28, 1982. William further advised after finding his wife. He found her Facebook and began scrolling through it. He said he observed a YouTube video posted by Andrew Sheets' YouTube page. Live Free or Die People. The YouTube video is titled, "If You Need to File Charges Against Gary Snow for Stalking, Slander and Harassment." William stated in this video. Andrew advises his audience on how to use white pages to reverse look up people's information with William's family as an example. He stated in the video posted by Andrew Sheets. He flips through his Facebook page and his underage daughter is present in the video. William stated Andrew Sheets, after showing where he lives, announces to his audience, "Do what you have to do." This call was changed from a public assist to an investigation. August 6, 2020, 15:39 and 27 seconds. Andrew Sheets used publicly accessible means to find the information on the caller and his family. In regards to the caller's underage daughter on Facebook, he scrolled through it for no more than a few seconds. This case is to be inactivated. No crime committed. Primary information. Description: case closeout occurrence from June 21, 2020, 10:45 occurrence to June 21, 2020, 10:50 reporting Leo, Magoon, Alexander, District 4 Squad B/Charlotte County Sheriff's Office, report status, approved report status date, July 4, 2020 approved by, Schabel, Mark Gorman, 2069/Charlotte County Sheriff's Office. Charlotte County Sheriff's Office Investigative Supplement 2006-003365/3 report date, August 6, 2020. Primary information. Description: Dapmore involvement, PX with Christy in Readme to Andrew occurrence from 08/061202081830 occurrence to 08/061202081845 reporting Leo, Hoer. Subjects. Relationship caller. Name alyea, Christy A, person. IO 47-year-old, white, female. Dob. December 28, 1972. Narrative begins on the following page. 2006-003365. On August 6, 2020 at 1830 hours, I made phone contact with W/F Christy alyea, Dob December 28, 72, in reference to a reactivated investigation. Christy advised she felt she was being harassed by a W/M known to her as Andrew Sheets. Christy stated that she does not know Andrew. Christy advised that Andrew received her personal information via public record, and is disseminating it on social media without her permission. Christy stated that her partner, William Snow, recently had a court appearance with Andrew in reference to an injunction Andrew filed against William. Christy stated that Andrew did not get his desired results, therefore, he is taking it out on Christy. Christy advised that Andrew has not made any direct contact with her, or made any threats against her. I advised Christy to restrict the access to her social media accounts, and report Andrew through social media in order for them to remove the posts. Christy was also advised that she could file an injunction against Andrew. Christy advised that she plans on sending Andrew a cease and desist letter, and is going to save every occurrence in which Andrew references her on social media in order to help support her injunction.
Hey Sheriff County, this is Sheriff County COPWATCH. I am using any video here with under fair use if you have criticism, reporting, teaching, etc. And please donate. I do not make money from YouTube, and there are different ways to donate in the video links. Thanks.